Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This, when it airs or debuts on the website, will be review number 3,102? Is that insane or what? This is another one from Zen Pop, or at least in a Zen Pop box. This is Myojo Barikata Tonkotsu, Spicy Barikata Tonkotsu Mazesoba? Mazesoba or Mazemen? It's one or the other. I'm gonna go with Mazesoba, but I bet it's Mazemen. Anyways, this one's gonna be quick because first it gets steeped, and to steep we're gonna put in, this is the vegetables and meats, so there's that, and then there's the noodle block, which only needs 1 minute, which I think is like fascinating and tragic at the same time. So let's turn this on. 1 minute. Yes. So it's Thursday here, and I'm really stoked. I can't wait. This weekend we're going to the Northwest Chocolate Festival. That just sounds like really weird. Never been to something like that. We shall see. And yeah, there will be lots of stuff about it coming up, probably in mid to late September or December, on The Chocolate Break, an American original. Hardest talk about chocolate money can buy. And things money can't buy. Like happiness and truth and beauty. So yeah, pretty cool. 1 minute to cook these noodles. Isn't that insane? 2, 1, and there's your minute. This is gonna be like the fastest, quickest episode of all time. So, I got such a lovely comment a week or so ago. A guy was like, "I really like your programs. Just could you do less of the middle part when you're talking?" No. Sorry you find my voice so grating. Anyway, I thought that was, and honestly, I don't think he meant to be rude either. Here's the liquid base. It's a lot like yakisoba the way this sets up, you know. But oil! I just licked oil! But yeah, it's... I'm not offended. I'm not even offended. I could tell the way the guy wrote it. He wasn't meaning to be rude or anything. He's like, I like it. I just don't like how long it takes. It's like, it's the format, sorry. But I'm glad you like it. Aside from my face making noise. So here we are. Wow, this is pretty bountiful of these really thin noodles, and they seem to definitely be done. Here's a look at them. Yeah. So I'm going to give them a try. The oil kind of had a little bit of a spicy hit to it. It's very thin noodle. If it's, maybe it's mazemen and this is like somen. Definitely interesting. And not interesting like, oh, that's interesting. It's like, that's interesting. Come on. And this appears to be meat. I'm not sure. This could be menma. let's find out if it'll cooperate. Yep, that's meat. I like this. Kind of reminds me of that oil soba that I reviewed the other day, at least in its concept. It's very oily. And however, it's like about as quick to make as I've ever made a noodle. I was too excited and I forgot a key ingredient in my garnish, but that's okay. Maybe I can kind of work on it. I want to add some mung bean sprouts, but honestly, those would have had to get some loving earlier. So we'll skip on that. That's okay. You know what mung bean sprouts look like, don't you? Yeah. But what it is getting is some straight up hardcore cartoon character jumping up and down. Everybody's wearing pants every day of the week. Egg loving. Come on. If the egg wants to cooperate. There you go. Okay. Come on, Chuckles. Don't. Really? This is how you're gonna do me today? The egg people are gonna get a complaint. Because the egglet is... rebellion of egg. Egg rebellion. We can... no salvation for the egg. For the egg, nothing. I guess that'll work. Oh, egg. You've wronged me, egg. Now I just don't care. I mean, I do, but I don't. But we can always say, hey, spring onion. And I think just like with the last one I did, I think a lovely accoutrement for this will be some seeds of the sesame. And yeah, I think that's what we got here. Sorry about that egg. Damn, that's such a bummer. I really like it when the eggs come out looking just perfect, but in this case, no can do. I mean, I could scoop it off and use another egg, but it's just not worth it. Yeah, this is a tasty one. I really like this. The last few that I've had out of these Zen Pop boxes have been pretty delish, so worthy to check out. Anyways, yeah, that was quick. That was only... yeah, that was short. So, if you enjoyed, please click like. If you hated it, please click like and subscribe. If you just want to slit your wrists right now, watch these, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Okay? If you do all that, you will find tranquility and freedom in your spirit and be happy. Saving lives here, people. Saving lives. Have a good one. Bye.